Living in a small space doesn't mean you have to give up on style or functionality. In fact, with the right furniture, you can unlock space you didn't even know you had. From hidden beds to smart storage and rotating kitchens, today we're looking at some truly brilliant designs that prove the smaller the space, the smarter it needs to be. Whether you live in a studio apartment or just prefer a clean, minimal layout, these ideas might just change the way you think about your home. Let's dive in. When you're furnishing a kid's room, you're not just thinking about where they'll sleep, you're thinking about how to make everything fit. The Adali storage bunk is a clever response to that exact problem. It's more than just a bunk bed. It's a mini command center. The bottom drawer pulls out into a third bed, perfect for sleepovers or siblings. But the real magic is in the stairs. Every step doubles as a storage drawer. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's a pull-out desk hidden on the side that kids can actually use even when the bed is extended. It's compact, easy to clean, and designed with everyday practicality in mind, making it a rare example of kids' furniture that's genuinely smart. If you've ever worked from home, you know how fast your desk can take over the whole room. Cables everywhere, notebooks piling up, and let's be honest, sometimes the workspace ends up doubling as your dinner table. That's where the hideaway switch desk comes in. At first glance, it looks like a simple wall panel, but open it up and you've got a fully functional desk that folds out smoothly thanks to a built-in gas strut system. You don't have to yank or pull. It opens with one hand, and it stays exactly where you leave it. It's got a clean, modern look that fits in just about anywhere. Whether it's a living room corner, bedroom nook, or even your hallway. There's even a built-in USB charging port, which is a small touch, but honestly, it saves you from crawling behind furniture every time your phone dies. What's really nice is the flexibility. You can install it to open to the left or right, depending on your space. So it's not just smart, it's smart in a way that adapts to your layout. If you need a desk that disappears when you're done working, this one's genuinely worth a look. Kitchens are usually the heart of the home here, but in smaller apartments, they often end up being the biggest headache. Not enough counter space, awkward layouts, nowhere to store your dishes. Sound familiar? The rotating circle kitchen tries to solve all of that in one single unit. Picture this: a complete kitchen that rotates 180 degrees like a slow-moving carousel. You've got storage, counter space, built-in appliances, all organized inside just 1.8 square meters. Need the stove? Rotate. Looking for the sink? Rotate again. It's not just a cool gimmick, and it's actually practical. Everything is within reach, and because the entire unit is enclosed, it stays visually clean when not in use. It's especially ideal for open-plan studios or tiny flats where traditional kitchens would take up half the living room. And thanks to its smooth sliding doors, you're not bumping into cabinet handles or trying to squeeze past open drawers. The design is compact, but what it delivers is full-scale functionality. It's not just saving space. It's redefining how kitchen space works. Most sofas just sit there looking pretty and taking up space, but the Sofa Magico lives up to its name. It's actually kind of magical in how it adapts to your needs. At first, it looks like a collection of padded cubes, but that's the whole point. Every piece is modular and movable. Need a stool? Grab one block. Want a full sofa? Stack them side by side and add a backrest. Having guests over? Spread them out and create individual seats or even single beds by extending the legs. You can even add a tabletop and convert part of it into a coffee table. The pieces are held together by a simple hook and locking system, so they don't slide apart, and setting it up doesn't require any tools or heavy lifting. The whole set comes in a sleek black finish with silver accents, giving it a modern but low-key look that works in almost any room. It's not the kind of furniture you buy to impress your guests. It's the kind you buy because you're tired of furniture that only does one thing. And let's be honest, how often do you say that about a couch? There's a certain type of furniture that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, and the Cali desk bed is exactly that. It looks like a sleek wall unit with a simple desk attached to the front. Nothing too special, right? But with one smooth motion, the desk folds down flat, and a full-size bed folds out right behind it. The best part? Everything that was on the desk stays perfectly level, so you don't even have to move your laptop or notebook. It's like your workspace and your sleeping space agreed to take turns without making you choose. Bathrooms are often the smallest rooms in the house, but ironically, they're also the hardest to optimize. Fixed toilets, awkward layouts, and just never enough room to move around. The Hydaloo changes that, and yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a full toilet system that literally slides back into the wall when not in use. Imagine brushing your teeth or drying off after a shower without bumping into anything. Then, when you need it, you simply pull the handle and the toilet slides out like a drawer. It's solid, stable, and fully functional, not a gimmick. There's even a built-in flush system and button controls, so it feels just like a regular toilet. And sure, it might take some explaining when guests come over, but once they see it in action, they'll probably ask where you bought it. In small bathrooms or multi-use wet rooms, this setup is a serious game changer. One table, 5 different purposes? That's pretty much the idea behind the span height table. On the surface, it looks like a simple coffee table, but with a quick pull and lift, it transforms into a full-size dining or work table. The legs fold inward and tuck neatly inside the body, and the tabletop adjusts from just 11 inches tall to over 30 inches high. Whether you're eating alone, working on a project, or hosting a dinner for 8, this table adapts. You can extend one side, both sides, or leave it small and low, whatever your space needs at that moment. It's not flashy or futuristic, and that's kind of the point. It blends into your living room without screaming, "Look at me," but when you need it to perform, it delivers. If you've ever wished your coffee table could do more, this one absolutely can. Bunk beds are great space savers, but let's be honest, they're usually bulky, squeaky, and just not that flexible. The foldaway wall bunks offer a cleaner, smarter take. These beds mount directly onto your wall and fold out like sleek cabinets. No clunky frame, no wrestling with screws or hinges, just a smooth, fold-down motion that reveals 2 beds stacked vertically. You can even adjust the height and spacing between the bunks depending on who's using them. When you're done, you just fold them back into the wall and reclaim the entire floor. And here's the best part. You don't even need to make the bed. Just fold it up and deal with it tomorrow. It's a perfect setup for guest rooms, shared kids' rooms, or even college dorms where space is constantly running out. Clean lines, minimal design, and maximum practicality. Exactly what modern living should look like. Most fold-out beds come down vertically, predictable, practical, and let's be honest, kind of boring. The swivel shelf bed throws all of that out the window. Instead of folding forward, it rotates sideways on a central pivot, revealing a hidden mattress on one side and a functional bookshelf on the other. It's like your wall literally turns into a bed. During the day, you've got extra storage and shelf space that looks like part of your decor. Then at night, a simple turn transforms it into a comfortable sleeping area. And it doesn't feel like a gimmick, and the movement is smooth, the materials are solid, and the overall build feels sturdy enough for daily use. If you're tight on space but want furniture that actually feels clever, this is one of those, wait, why don't more people have this? Moments. It's smart, simple, and stylish. And that's a rare combo. If your workspace has slowly turned into a chaotic mix of cables, monitors, and leftover snacks, you're not alone. The DIZone Hybrid Desk was designed exactly for that type of setup, a workstation by day and a gaming hub by night. It combines a full-size desk, an integrated chair, and dedicated storage areas for everything from your PC to your console gear. You don't need multiple pieces of furniture cluttering the room. This one handles it all. The best part is how adjustable it is. Move the seat, shift the height, even adjust the desk angle depending on what you're doing. It's surprisingly compact for what it offers, which makes it great for small bedrooms, dorms, or creative studio spaces. Everything has its place, so you don't have to constantly reset your environment every time you switch tasks. Whether you're finishing an assignment or grinding through a game, this setup adapts to you, not the other way around. Not every guest needs a full-size pull-out couch, especially when space is tight. The Velcro lounge bed takes a totally different approach. It starts as a cone-shaped chair with a soft, foldable mattress attached by Velcro straps. Unfold it, and it becomes a low lounge bed. No metal frames, No creaking springs, no awkward assembly. Add a second one and you can connect the pieces to form a full circular mattress, big enough to sleep 1 or 2 adults. It's surprisingly comfortable, and because it doesn't rely on hard frames, it's much quieter and easier to move. The fabric is wear-resistant too, so you can even use it outdoors without stressing about scuffing or stains. It's ideal for movie nights, quick naps, or giving guests a decent place to crash without rearranging your entire living room. Sometimes simpler really is better. Hosting dinner for 10 people sounds great until you realize your apartment barely fits 4 chairs. That's where the Junior Giant Transformer table comes in. In its default state, it's just a sleek coffee table. Low profile, elegant, and totally unassuming. But when needed, it expands dramatically. Hidden extension panels slide out smoothly from underneath, transforming it into a full-size dining table that seats up to 10 guests. It also includes matching transformer chairs that fold up and store away when not in use. The lifting system uses discrete locking wheels and a gas lift mechanism, so adjusting the height and moving it around is surprisingly easy. Available in different wood finishes, it manages to be both functional and stylish at the same time. If you love entertaining but hate clutter, this table feels like a cheat code for small space living. Stairs usually aren't something you think about until they get in the way. In tiny homes or multi-level lofts, even a simple staircase can feel like it eats up half the room. That's what inspired Australian designer Zev Bianchi to come up with something radically different: foldable bamboo stairs. Built from one of the most sustainable materials on the planet, this stair system folds flat when not in use, almost like a large accordion. It's strong enough to hold an adult, lightweight enough to move around, and simple enough to install without tearing up your walls. And here's the cool part. It's not just stairs. The same design principles have been applied to foldable chairs and other compact furniture. If you're into minimalist living or you just hate bulky permanent fixtures, this concept has real potential. It's still in the early stages of rollout, but it's already making waves in tiny home communities. Sometimes thinking outside the box starts with how you move between floors. In a small apartment, you often don't have the luxury of separating your workspace from your rest space. That's where the ITO desk sofa bed really shines. It's not just a couch, not just a bed, and not just a desk. It's all three, and they're seamlessly integrated into one surprisingly compact unit. The main sofa folds out into a comfortable bed that sleeps too, while the built-in shelving and fold-down desk give you a functional workspace when you're not sleeping. There's no need to constantly rearrange things. Just fold and flip as needed. What makes it even more appealing is the attention to detail. Hidden compartments, smooth transitions, and a sleek finish that doesn't scream convertible furniture. If you live in a small space, you probably already avoid big, bulky furniture, especially dining tables. The Smart Console table is a clever way to get the functionality of a full table without giving up half your room. When closed, it looks like a slim console, great for placing keys, books, or a lamp. But when you need more surface area, it expands smoothly into a dining table that can seat up to 5 people. You can even open it halfway if you're just working on your laptop or having coffee with a friend. It's designed in a neutral palette, which means it doesn't clash with your interior no matter how you decorate. And because the mechanism is so easy to use, you don't have to stress about setup every time. It's not flashy, but it solves a daily problem beautifully. Sometimes the smartest furniture is the one that knows when to stay out of the way. What if your bed could fold away? Not just to save space, but to completely change the feel of your room? The Upfold Trio bed isn't just functional, it's beautiful. It features a trio of bunks that tuck into the wall with clean lines and a modern aesthetic that wouldn't look out of place in a Pinterest-perfect apartment. There's even one bed position to face the window, ideal for anyone who loves waking up to natural light. Unlike traditional Murphy beds, this setup still allows for wall decorations behind it. Posters, shelves, even artwork. None of it needs to be removed when the beds fold away. And when folded, the system blends so seamlessly into the wall that you might not even remember it's a bed at all. It's a rare case of furniture that looks amazing, both in use and out of sight. We've seen fold-out beds, swivel desks, and rotating kitchens, but the Tomboday foldaway bed might just be the smoothest transformation of them all. Designed in Italy, this system replaces the bulky sofa frame with a lightweight cushioned seat that feels more like a lounge chair than a bed. When you need to sleep, the entire unit folds down from the wall using a servo-assisted hydraulic frame. It's quiet, safe, and requires almost no physical effort. The backrest adjusts for better posture, and the leather handle makes repositioning simple. And because it uses high-quality Italian materials, it doesn't just function well, it looks refined too. This setup doesn't just save space, it elevates it. It's ideal for small apartments, stylish guest rooms, or anyone who wants comfort without compromise. If there was ever a way to end a list of smart furniture on a high note, this is it. And there you have it, 21 space-saving, mind-blowingly smart furniture ideas that prove small living doesn't have to mean less living. Whether it was the rotating kitchen, the fold-away bed, or that transforming dining table, there's something here for every space and every lifestyle. But now I'm curious, which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments, and let's see which design wins the vote. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe for more clever designs and futuristic home solutions. Until next time, keep making space for what really matters.